Hey guys, in this video, let's take a look at the Krea 2 Turbo Style Reference LoRA that can help us transfer different art styles to Krea 2 image generation. Let's get started. The download link for the LoRA is available in the description. Open that link and you will see a page like this, where we can find some examples of the LoRA. To make the LoRA work, we need a custom node pack called ComfyUI Krea 2 Ostris Edit, which we have to install manually inside ComfyUI. Later, I will show you how. Also, this LoRA does not need any trigger words. Now let's focus on downloading the LoRA. Scroll up and click on Files and Versions. This is the file we need to download, which is named Krea 2 Style Reference.safetensors. Download the file and put it inside the LoRa's folder of ComfyUI. Now let's focus on installing the custom node pack we need for this LoRA to work. To install this custom node pack, called ComfyUI Krea 2 Ostris Edit, all we need to do is run this command inside the Custom Nodes folder of ComfyUI. Let's copy this command and open the Custom Nodes folder of ComfyUI. Right-click here and open the terminal, then paste the command and press Enter. In my case, I already did it. Also, the custom node pack doesn't need any extra dependencies, so we are ready to use it. If you ran the command while ComfyUI was running, restart it to make sure the custom nodes work. Now let's close the terminal and other windows, then switch over to ComfyUI. Here I already built a workflow, which you can download from the description. Let's focus only on the style transfer related parts. Here, as usual, we have the Load LoRA node for loading the Krea 2 Style Reference LoRA, and the strength is going to be 1.0. Then we have the Load Image 1 node for loading reference images containing different art styles. Right now, I have loaded a Chinese art style. Also, the LoRA supports up to 2 images, so you can choose different images containing different art styles and mix them to create a new art style. If you want to use a second reference image, use Load Image 2. Then, to make Krea 2 accept reference images, we need the Krea 2 Ostris Edit Model Patch node placed between the Load Diffusion Model node and the K-sampler. Also, to send the reference images to the Krea 2 model, we have this text encode Krea 2 Ostris Edit node from the same custom node pack. This node supports up to 3 reference images. The first image input is connected to the first reference image loader, and the second image input is connected to the second reference image loader. Like my other Krea 2 workflows, we use this prompt subgraph node for writing prompts. Then we have this edit model reference method node, which will tell the model we have reference images for guiding image generation. For the negative prompt, there is no use for it with the turbo model. The edit model reference method node is also added for the negative prompt, which serves no purpose when used with the turbo model. Now let's start testing. Let's change the prompt. It's going to be a floating island with waterfalls cascading into the clouds, wide shot. I won't be using the Enhance Prompt feature, but the workflow I provide below will contain some changes to make sure the Qwen 3.59b int8 model also takes reference images for prompt enhancement. Then, the resolution is going to be a 16:9 aspect ratio at 1 megapixel. For the K-sampler, let's use the usual settings and set the seed change to random. Now let's run the generation and see the result. Here we got a nice old Chinese painting. I really like the result, though the text on the image is not good. Now let's try a different art style. I'm going to choose this painting, and let's change the prompt. A sleek spaceship docked inside a massive orbital station. Now let's run the generation and see the result. Well, I do like the painting style, but I still have no idea what's going on in the image. I mean, look at the spaceship components. The image looks sloppy. So guys, I won't be wasting any more time. In my opinion, this LoRA does do the job of copying art styles, but sometimes the outputs are not good enough. So I suggest you try this LoRA and see the results for yourself. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.